Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hi guys, good morning. I so badly want to do splits, like learn how to do splits. So I was doing some yoga and the lights are on because I was filming a mini vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what mini vlogs are. I really enjoy doing those. But yeah, that was my little morning. Let me set you up kidogo as I fold my mat. So for breakfast I'm having tangawizi tea, which is ginger tea, and a cake I baked a few days ago, and an apple. Yep. Dumb conversations. Heading out to fix my hair to do a retouch, that is. And before that I wanted us to prepare lunch. So for lunch we are having fried rice. You guys educated me on how to prepare my fried rice, so let's do that. Mlisema rice ikuwe imelala, isikuwe freshly cooked, so this one imekuwa kwa fridge. I usually have rice kwa fridge just in case I'm too lazy to prepare a whole meal. So we have rice, we have mixed vegetables, and then we have pepper, the red and yellow pepper, and some pork that I have.
Go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate bar.
I'm now going to add my rice. This is the Thailand rice that I had on my grocery haul. I don't want a lot, so I think that will be enough.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend.
So on my Thailand rice I had added turmeric. I feel like turmeric is a good source of color for your vegetable rice, and also it's an antioxidant, so that's a plus. So I'm going to allow this to cook for a bit, and then it will be ready. It's such a quick fix, by the way. So like right now I'm going to fix my hair, so I don't have the time to cook like a whole big meal. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fried rice you get when you don't use the long grain rice, so itakaa imeshikana because you know what rice I used, but this is how it looks. That will be nice.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
I wish I had added some pepper, like black pepper or cayenne. I can add sauce. Yeah, let me do that.
As long as I spend this day with you.
I forgot I don't have hot and sweet, and sijaziona kwa market, sijui kulienda aje, but I'm just going to add my tomato sauce. It doesn't have the chili effect which I'm looking for, but I think it will do. I'm full.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Guys, I'm preparing my sister pudding. My sister and myself.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. The snowman's dressing up.
Then you're going to add yogurt. I'm using this passion yogurt from Fresher. So, oops, I should have checked before adding it. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is new here. Welcome back.
If you're new here, welcome back.
Oh.
Sitamu? Iko sawa means sitamu.
Means iko maana.
So I'm making mushroom, a mix of mushroom and minced meat. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Hot chili from my garden, and then you have the yellow and red peppers and onion obviously, and tomatoes. So at the moment I'm boiling I'm boiling spaghetti. So we were unable to cook. Tumeacha vitunguu kama sijaiva. We're going for a movie and it's quite late, so we figured we'll cook after the movie date. So yeah. guys, back home. It's quite late. The brightness ni mob. Did I show you my hair? So Frida has decided to go to her place, so I was waiting and then I got a gari, but I am back home. I'm going to prepare the mushroom and minced meat and then eat it with the spaghetti that I had prepared earlier on and call it a day. I am so freaking tired, honestly. Naeza lala tu hivyo venye niko, but I am hungry. I have one mushroom over here. I wanted to show you how I remove, like how I clean the mushrooms. So I'm going to remove this carpet, like so, and then huku ndani there's a layer. You just smoothly remove it like so. Ooh. So that's how I clean the mushrooms, and then afterwards you're going to wash them with water. Salt, cayenne, soy sauce, I don't like my peppers too cooked, so 5 minutes or less are enough. I'm going to let this cook for a bit as I warm my spaghetti. This is by far one of the best meals I've made. If you do try this, please tag me. And then don't forget to add your lemon. You can add it after you've served, ama add it after your stew, your mushroom and minced meat imekuwa cool kiasi. But yeah, that's my supper today. It's so tasty. With that, I'm having this wine. It's white wine. I'm not sure the name. Let me check, just in case anyone would like. It's one of my favorite wines, actually. It's called Amalavida. Oops. Amalavida. There you go. Yeah. And I am watching a movie called Yara. I started it yesterday, but sijamaliza. I love these crime movies.